So you're ready to start clipping. How exactly do you earn money from clipping? Let's go through the process. So once you've identified a channel that you want to clip for, in this case, we're going to go with Polymarket Content Rewards. You want to make sure you read the instructions. So for example, they have an assets file right here, which is giving you the instructions. It's going to pull up a doc, a lot of different ways that they're going to provide you instructions. In this case, they have a simple Google Doc that you can just read through. You're going to be finding the market, video requirements, recommendations, captions, and basically you're uploading these videos to your own channel, and then you're going to be clipping. You're going to click submit once you're ready. So once the post is up, as we can see, we're going to submit our social media post. So you're going to share your post link and the original image or video below. And then once it's approved, you're going to start earning rewards based on the views that it generates. This is a really cool feature of Whop. It's going to track all the views for you, and it's going to count all the views towards your payout. So provide the link and provide the original file, click submit, and that's how you're going to get started earning rewards.